Hey everybody, Josh over here at CFT. We just got done installing our intercooler pipes for the 5th Gen Cummins on the 25 and 3500 platforms. So what makes our pipes a little bit different, we got the 5-ply boots that go with them. We got a 3-inch hot side pipe, which is about a 1/4 inch or so bigger than the factory, and it has less crimps and bends in it, and clears, and it doesn't rub on anything. And then on the cold side, we have a full complete fab 3.5-inch unit on for the cold side. Everything comes with the supplied boots and clamps. It's a real easy install. To get an idea what you're dealing with, the factory cold side is built out of plastic, looks to be a 2 to 3-ply boot from factory. They're real flimsy, and plus plastic, which we know doesn't look all that great. It performs okay, but it's also restrictive as it is like a 3-inch and then slowly tapers to 3.5. Ours will help drop your air intake temperatures. And then the hot side pipe, as you can tell, it's got bends in it. It's got the extra kinks, causes turbulence. It's got super long boots that just expand under boost pressures. And they're also a real cheap small chimney ply boot also. We offer all of this in 6500 prismatic powder coat color options, so you can really customize them to be your own. We'll cut over to a quick, easy install video. Install is real simple. All we do is just jack it up, put the jack stand under it, take the fender well covers off. You can get to everything right there. Pull the 2 clamps off on each side for the factories, and then stick them on in, and the video will show you at the end of this. Like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Here you'll see, just remove the inner fender well cover. This is on the driver's side. You'll use 11mm socket to remove the top clamp from the top side, and then from the bottom side you'll be able to remove the other one and pull out the factory intercooler pipe. From here you'll take the supplied 45 boot, put it onto the intercooler, then we'll slide the other boot, that's the 3.5 by 3.5, onto the intercooler pipe. We'll use like a window glass cleaner to spray on the boots to just lube them up a little bit, and that way it also won't help blow them off later on, and it kind of glues them in place. So you just put it on there, and then once you put the pipe in place, you can slide the boot straight up right onto the factory intake horn. Once again, you'll just use 11mm to take the 2 clamps off, one on the turbo, one on the intercooler. Then we just go from underneath and we'll break apart the boots and pull it and drop it right down from the bottom side of the truck. We'll take the 2 3/4 by 3-inch straight boot. Once again, we'll just use a little glass cleaner, stick it onto the new hot side pipe that we have, and just from the bottom side we can fish it right back up and then get it back in place on the turbo. Then we'll take the new 3 by 3 45 boot and we'll be able to slide it right in place onto the intercooler, and you just lift the hot side tube up out of the way. You'll be able to slide that other boot on and then just drop the new intercooler pipe directly into place, and then you can put all the clamps and torque to spec.